Come. Today I will show you Golu in our house. Like every year, this year also we have celebrated our 9 days of Dasra with Golu. This year we have kept 7 steps in Golu. As we can see, lots of Swami idols will be there in Golu. On top step big Swami idols are kept. Ganesha, Durga Mata, Krishna, Varahi Devi, Lord Muruga, Narsimha Swami, Sita Lakshma Sametha Ramul Varu, Chakra Thalwar, Bala Tripura Sundari Devi, Lord Kuber, Hanuman with Garuda, Sai Baba, Shiva with his family, Aru Padigai Murugar, Kumbhakarnudu. Every idol will be kept here along with lights. Along with these, Mother is also considered as deity. And some of Kondapalli Bomlu, Mata Grohalakshmi. Kalasham will be kept too. My mother-in-law says Pelli Koduku and Pelli Kuthuru are so important in Golu. Deepam in Golu should be lighting continuously for 9 days from the day of Amavasya like Akhanda Deepam. Tulsi Mata is also kept in the puja. Amvaru along with Koneru and garden-like setup was made. Next to it, just like every year, mountain is built. This year it is Thirumala mountain. Venkateshwar Swami along with Padmavati was kept on the mountain. Garuda Alvars are kept as gatekeepers to the Lord Balaji. With beautiful setup of steps and road to the mountain. Around the mountain, Astalakshmi idols are kept on first step. On second step, Lord Krishna idols are kept. Downside, at the start of steps, the setup was made to look like a Lord Ganesha temple. Then the other side of it, Lord Shiva with Nandi was kept, and it's so feast for eyes. Downside, the idols are kept like for marriage function. Some people are sitting and watching the marriage. Sannai Milam, Banti Bhojnalu, and some people were sitting and eating food. Camera is also kept for photographer's effect. Then next to it, small zoo type setup was made. Looks like animals are coming and drinking water out of the pond. A small park setup is also made. With tables and chairs to sit. Then a setup of cricket team is playing cricket is made next to it. Then shopkeepers selling daily essentials was shown. A small boy is also selling some fruits and veggies as shown. Different types of occupations were shown next. Persons making rotis, grinding flour, making knives, etc. Look at this magic tap. From where water is coming and going. Every year, we will prepare a swing to keep Ma Lakshmi, Durga and Saraswati. But this year it's kept like this. It's so beautiful to watch Ma Lakshmi, Ma Durga and Ma Saraswati filled with ornaments and flowers. With lots and lots of lights, live plants and flower plants, this year's Golu is so beautiful. Every night many people will come and seek the blessings with devotional songs and offer some food. Finally, have a clear look at these great idols for Dwarapalikas holding Deepam on hands. This is for now. Bye bye.